Alright, what's up YouTube? Starting out the vlog, getting straight into loading the pit bike. Gotta go pick up Ryan, load up his pit bike, and we'll see how this full shortened Pro Circuit full size exhaust sounds from yesterday's video. So hopefully you guys are hyped on that. If you guys are excited, definitely smash that thumbs up button. It helps me out a lot. If you guys are new, definitely hit that subscribe button down below if you don't want to miss any future videos. And yeah, we'll throw these things in the truck, then we'll get riding. I'm not gonna have time to stop at the gas station, so we'll just put this mixed fuel in here from the 125, this 112. That worked out perfect. We're right at the top. Use the whole thing. Here's a loading shot for everybody that missed the loading shots in the last couple of videos where I didn't put them in. Just looking out for you guys. Just want to make you guys happy, you know? Just want to make you guys happy. Just got to Ryan's house. Got some new tires. These things are, I think, 40-inch, 38-inch. These things are huge. I think they're 12.5 wide. On those 20-inch wheels that you saw in a couple videos back. Things are beefy. This thing ready? We'll fire up. Oh,
this thing's meant, dude. I never run this.
Second on e-start.
This thing's
come on.
Sure. No need for refreshing.
Dude, mine's roached. Well, you still need a clutch. That's about it, really.
Right.
But not even. Still works.
It's,
you know? Still works. Still works. Fresh spray paint on the wheels and kickstand.
Heck yeah, dude.
Thing is brand new.
That chain is tight.
Put the new chain and sprockets on there yet?
No.
Dude, that sprocket's not bad. I've seen worse.
Look at that.
That's
seen tight.
Yeah, just run it, dude. I think it's good.
It'll loosen up.
At least you got more meat on those tires than mine. You'll actually like hook up a little bit. You might want some warm gear because it's like freezing.
I got overalls.
You're just gonna run it?
I feel you.
I feel you.
What am I looking for? Oh yeah,
looking for goggles and a helmet. Or what ramp? You don't need a ramp, remember? You don't use easy pit bike load. No more with ramps. With all this ice on the ground. I think. Truck's about 6 feet tall.
That's a literally full squat.
Oh my. You carrying the truck?
No.
No. I don't even think it needs straps. I got my straps inside so they could thaw out so I could actually strap down my leg. But that kickstand down for safety. Alright, you good? Alright, we're good to go. Head out finally before it gets dark. It's already 4 o'clock and it'll be dark in about 40 minutes. There it is. The Mazda that almost caught on fire and burned to the ground. If you guys didn't see that video, check it out. Alright, boom. Get out, get this pit bike all warmed up because it's super cold today. It's definitely gonna take a little while to warm up. Wow. Okay. Today. There we go. Probably should rejet it for this thing since there's a lot more airflow. But we'll see when I get around to doing that. Oh, we're good. Pit bike barely fits in with that box in the back.
I know.
Is this a 6.5 or an 8? 6.5.
6
yeah.
3/4.
You can barely get enough speed to clear that around the corner for it being 20 degrees outside. Arm pump?
Oh yeah.
Arm pump?
It's a little cold.
Yeah, it is a little cold.
Oh, shit.
Alright, don't shift it. Sound clip of this thing. Oh! What, got a race going on?
you.
Can't waste that premium. Can't waste that 112. Come on now. It's so slick. You need your own.
I'm well
You
aware.
need your own.
Yo, guys, check this out.
What? Scoping out this huge, not like, I mean, it's not huge in reference to like a big bike, but for pit bikes to jump this is probably what, 30 feet? At least 30 feet, maybe even bigger than 30. You want to send it?
No, I
There's
don't.
not a lot of a run up, and it's snowy and icy. I think you'll be fine.
Yeah, I'm gonna not do it.
Yeah, I don't blame you. Not today. Maybe on a warmer day if it was perfect.
Yeah, no, I probably won't even on a warmer day.
Not even on a warmer day?
No,
Yeah,
I don't
me
think so.
either, probably. I was just feeling you out. See if you would do it. Josh is ripping on the quad. It sucks with the ice. You can't predict, like, I don't know about hitting that double. Check it out.
Dude, I've ridden this thing so long, it feels so slow.
It's been like 5 months since you've ridden. Is he hitting it? Doesn't even look at it.
Sketchy.
Is it?
Super frozen right now.
Just slipping the whole way. There we go. Brakes kind of work, pretty much don't.
Got no rear brakes, son.
There's no brakes at all. It's so cold, the brakes stopped working.
I'm like looking for a brake. I'm like, oh, hey.
No brakes. No brakes.
Yeah, we need a bunch for those.
Oh, pit bikes are too much fun. This thing falling off?
What, my kickstart?
Yeah, your kickstart. I still have your kickstart at the house. Pipe's holding up good. Sounds a lot better.
It's honestly not that cool.
Sell it to him. You're always trying to sell stuff. What's the offer for it? Not for sale or $1,000?
2,500.
2,500. You can go get a brand new one. What year is it? 12?
Yeah.
11? Yeah, it's worth about
19.
2,800 all day.
Yeah, probably 28. Yeah, we're a couple grand.
Try and go jump from there, transfer down to here. Are you gonna do it?
Yeah.
You're gonna scope it out?
I don't even think we're gonna scope it out anymore.
You're just gonna send it right now?
Well, I'm gonna make sure I got a little groove to hit.
Oh! He got it! That was sick.
That was so sick.
Let that backfire too. It's sandy, it just sinks in. Ryan, your turn, right? You ready to send it?
Your turn, I'll grab the camera.
Sounds way better. I'll follow you.
Why don't we just race?
All right. Oh, we're dumping fuel. I tried to go inside. hitting it right there.
Yeah, I'm coming at it a little more
You
straight.
must pull up harder. I just got home, pipe held up good. Let me know what you think in the comments, how it sounds aside from when I was revving it up in yesterday's video. I think it sounds sick, better than the fitted whatever pro circuit that was meant to go on there. But some people might say otherwise, but I'm happy with it. That's all that matters. And Josh did a really good job on it. So probably head back there at some point next couple days, weeks, and rip up that sand pit when we got more time, when it doesn't get dark at 4:30, 5 o'clock. If we can get out there sooner, we'll see. But regardless, fun day riding.